Hi Dancing Hot Dog readers. We're going to actually talk about one of my favorite brands, and that's Lifeproof. Lifeproof does cases for iPads and iPhones mainly, and you can see this is my phone. It is a Lifeproof case, one of the older models. One of the latest things that they brought out in the newest line for the newest iPads, the Generation 3 and the iPad 2, as well as the iPhone 5, is the Lifeproof Nuud case and cover. Now, Lifeproof, if you're not familiar with them, give you almost total protection for your iPhone. It's, as you can see, waterproof, dirtproof, snowproof, and shockproof. Now, dirtproof, snowproof, and shockproof, that's something that you can get with most of the cases you can find out there. The real kicker is the waterproof, and that's where I think they really add value. Now, if you look at my old case, the older version, you can see that this has actually a built-in cover over the screen, which actually works really well, but does kind of prevent you from having full access, full continuity when you're using the touchscreen. The new Nuud line actually takes advantage of some of the technology that the iPads have in the Gorilla Glass, that basically allows you to have no screen cover along with it, but still retain the waterproof aspect that's made the Lifeproof so valuable. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to try one of them. They're both basically the same function, so we'll do the iPad since it's the biggest one and probably costs the most. So we're going to really put it through its paces in terms of waterproofing. We'll first show you how the test that you're supposed to do first, and then we're going to actually put my iPad in there and dip it in water and let you see the real value of Lifeproof. One of the most important things you can do with your Lifeproof product is actually perform the water test. A lot of people, I heard, actually just forego this step, and this really can cost you a lot of money, because if the product is not sealed correctly, or if there's something wrong, you can damage your iPhone or your iPad. So the great thing about these new products is, especially when there's no front cover, you're going to want to try it and see that it works. Lifeproof provides you with, there's a plastic piece, basically a stand-in for your iPad, so that you can try the water test to make sure that everything is waterproof before you use it. Now, they also recommend that you check it every time you have a major drop of the unit, or basically at regular intervals, just in case, to make sure that everything is working fine and that nothing has been damaged. Now, I have some water here, you can see, in a container, and I'm going to start the test out right now, and we'll see if we're ready to put the iPad in. As you can see, here's the final product. I have the case, the Nuud case, right on it from Lifeproof. You can see how thin it is. You don't really add a lot of bulk, and that's what one of my number one worries when I was thinking about a case for the iPad, is just how bulky it would be. We get the iPad for a specific reason, and that's to be portable, to be thin, to be able to kind of move in and out. It's a very sleek design. The back is totally clear, so that if you want to personalize like we have in our iPad, you're able to personalize it and still keep it there. Also, along with the package, you get a adapter for your earphones, so you're able to screw this in to the iPad and actually take advantage of the waterproof ability, but also listen to music or answer phone calls or do whatever. And then on top of that, this is actually a case for over the screen if you want to have it over the screen, but it also turns into a stand for the iPad as well. So it really comes with everything you need to really have the whole full iPad experience, but also having the protection. Now you may be wondering, well, he did the test and did all that stuff, but does it really work? The iPad's in there. I'm just going to pour some water on it. Not even care. It protects you from everything. Seriously. So Lifeproof, the Nuud, love it, get it. It's awesome.